This museum is right next to Campden Park Racecourse at the end of the M3 going into London. It houses the largest working triple expansion steam engine. This was used to pump water around London. It is run by volunteers and you get a free tour with a very reasonable admission price, and we had a thoroughly good day.
Were you around when we started the engine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just about, yeah.
But you would have seen steam coming up
Yes.
from the top and the bottom. Comes out of here. And these are the drain valves. The lads down there, when they work the steam valves, there's two handles down there. They're winding like mad to close. And it's these valves, two valves. And these are just like rocker arms, push rods that can operate on the camshaft down below, which is probably a good idea to look at this, and you'll see when we go down below it makes a little bit more sense. Now, you'll see here, these pipes leading into it, they are squirting steam oil into the cylinder to lubricate the steam. All of this gadget here is a device that if it has to be shut down in the emergency, say for instance the water supply failed.
Yeah.
Now that would mean it would be pumping 19 million gallons out in the roadway or something, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So suddenly it's got to stop. So there's a connection between this and the output side of the water. So if the water fails, this cranks out, shuts the valve, everything comes to a stop. How they work, you've got a taper there, and they come in there, so you end up getting drip, drip, drip out of here. The pressure. So as the camshaft rotates, it rotates another camshaft in here that operates plungers in here that allow us to, and the plunger will now you see that thick oil? Because these cylinders are filled with water, the oil will float up the wire. When it gets up the top, the oil then comes out of the water, because it's obviously the water in the oil, don't it? And it comes up through here, and then it goes into whichever part of the engine it's meant to be lubricating. So this is the steam oil lubricating part, and this is the only bit which has any pressure. Just like an aircraft engine, just like a 747 aircraft engine, but a bit smaller. The steam comes through here, drives this at probably, let's call it 6,000 revs per minute, and then goes through the gearbox here, which is probably 61, and therefore the pumps are not here, rotating, or would be rotating at about 1,000. So what we've done, we've lifted the covers, put this little drive mechanism in, so we can actually drive it at a slow speed. Now, these are the original gears that were here when they were built in 1933. And these were built by David Brown up in Oxford. All the gears on these engines were by David Brown. That's called a double Henry motor. Okay, that's done. Now try and get it so you can get it so this is only halfway up. Yeah, just gently, not too much, very slowly. Now, this is the old style of governor that was on the old engines that were here. Now, these engines have the same type of thing. They have governors, but they disconnected them. It's quite interesting. If you look at the way the lubrication is done here, there's oil in here, and you've got this ring, and the ring rotates round with it.
And then drops into the oil part.
Drops in the oil, picks oil up and rotates, and it lubricates the bearing. We've got 6 anodes, it's going in this 6-phase, and inside that dome is just a vacuum, and the pool in the bottom you see the light flash is mercury. So you've got a mercury pool, and the anodes are just flicking into it, and every time they spark, that is half of that cycle being conducted.
Yeah.
Now, these two merger rectifiers will produce 200 volts DC and could do 200 amps.